In this video, you will learn how to view your Facebook feed in chronological order. The process is really simple and it is similar for Android as well as for iOS devices, so nothing to worry about if you are on Android. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once you are connected with internet, go and tap on your Facebook application. So once you have opened your Facebook application, you can see that on the top bar there are three options: home, favorites and recent. Home is the normal mode in which you usually see your Facebook feed. So now if you want to see your feed in chronological order, you can tap on either recent. In this way you will see your new post first, or you can also tap on favorites. By doing so, you can see the post of only those pages which you have added to your favorite list. You can also tap on this icon. A pop-up menu will be opened, and in this menu the last option is news feed preferences. Tap on those preferences, and here you can change your newsfeed preferences, like you can add people to your favorite list, or unfollow people, or reconnect with people you have unfollowed. So this was the process by which you can view Facebook feed in chronological order. If you found this video helpful, then please like, share and subscribe before leaving. Thanks.